places. I done traveled, ways in the military. I'm thinking about moving back to Africa. I've been to Africa. Beautiful, man. Nothing like that bullshit they try to sell you on TV.
I know it's not.
But black, I'm thinking about going back to Kenya, man. So fly, set up shop, bring the skills back, just me. Couple about 2 weeks worth of clothes in the bag, and my make a nice thing. My VA check follow me anywhere in the world, so I'm thinking about different, man. I have to put it like this, it's the most beautiful place I've ever been. You know, I was stationed in Germany for 3 years. It's different. You get treated way better than you do here. They understand the God in us, the King in us, you know, than our oppressors here. Ain't no shit here, you know what I'm saying? I could really do Europe, even the dating scene. There's a lot of cats I know that go over there, they don't even come back. Because you might have heard the stories and stuff, man, but it's true. Like if you go out in Europe, you go to the bar, they just chill. They come to you. You don't have to go talk to the girls. They come to you.
Yeah, right.
It's way different over there, man. You see, our daddy's a lot of girls up and came back, you know what I'm saying? So a lot of them big stick as hell, all that good stuff. It's just totally different. But ain't no place like Africa. It's just beautiful, man. It's just us. That's us. That's our country. It's the richest planet on the nation. I mean, the richest nation on the planet. So.
Is he saying because I went to England while I was in the military, I was treated worse than ever. In England.
In England?
I was in the club. I was treated worse than I was over there. I'm over here in the white school.
You say you was treated worse? Well, England. You got to think though, that's where a lot of they came from. A lot of the white people from here came from England. You know what I'm saying? Them Brits. I mean, the pound worth more than the dollar. You know what I'm saying? That's the financial capital of the world. DC, the military capital of the world. The Vatican is the spiritual capital of the world. You know what I'm saying? They have the powers that be the way they got it set up. So you just got to know a little something to understand how you gonna get treated. But in Germany. England is not in Germany. It's on its own little island. Really, it's Europe, but it's separated.
It's about anywhere in Europe you can be treated.
England, Scotland, and Ireland, all on the same island. I've been to Ireland. Ireland is part of that island too.
I walked around Spain for 9 days. I left the barracks, $200 in my pocket. I don't think it's been all that, man. Every time I stop to get us out there. I even stay with a few days. That's about it. Hopefully house too. Just like you. You want to live.
They mislead you. They try to tell you like Africa nasty, trash, or whatever. And France and Paris, you know, it's beautiful. It's the opposite, man. France is nasty as hell. You ever been to New York? France is like New York. It's just trash. Paris is nasty as hell. They ain't like what they, man, all they got is the Eiffel Tower, you know what I'm saying?
They try to portray it like New York, place to be like that. It's crazy.
I didn't get to Italy. I want to see Italy. But I seen a reference to Italy, like how things get misrepresented. Like Italy is known for fashion. They set the standard on fashion. Italian, you know, silks and all this type of stuff. And gators are supposed to be, you know, supposed to come from, their style must come from Italy. Alligators ain't native to Italy. They nowhere in Europe. They in Africa. Crocodiles, you gotta think, man. Yeah. They killing us, bro, for what we don't know. Yeah. So if you really want to make it, I want to take my skill set and go, man. I want to take my skill set and go. I ain't scared. And I think Ghana is offering free citizenship to any African Americans who want to return home. Straight up.
Oh, you serious?
Yeah.
So by free citizenship,
I don't know what, like if it's a package that they offering, but like you come here, when all you gotta do is become a citizen and all that type of stuff. it's almost like a trial field. Recording all that type of stuff.